Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at these products to make up a camera case or a camera rig for the Insta360 Go Ultra. So first off, we've got the camera cage itself. This is made from a space grade aluminium, very strong but lightweight. Then we've got the grip, made from the same company. This is a plastic and composite blend. Ulanzi have made this really small cold shoe mount light, and last off we've got the little mounting grip that you use for the underneath of the camera or for the grip itself. So we've got a little sticker in there, and this is the camera cage itself. Unfortunately, it's a little bit of a sort of a grey colour rather than black. I think I'd have preferred it to be black, the same colour as the camera, but can't have everything. Right, so this is the grip. Right, it says make sure that the grip is clipped onto the cage nice and firmly before you start throwing it around. You've got a couple of Allen keys there for attaching everything. Now, I did add this onto the grip off camera, so it saves a little bit of time. But all you do is you just get the Allen key, the bigger one, put the bolt in through the actual grip itself, and then just tighten it up. Very simple. So that clips onto the cage. Now on the documentation it doesn't mention this cage specifically, but it does work with this cage, and I will show you it working. You've got a couple of little shims there, some extra screws, and this is the little piece of plastic that goes on the cold shoe mount. Has another cold shoe mount built in so you don't lose the cold shoe, and that just clips onto the top there so that it makes it easier to depress the record button like that. Okay, so I'll take that off for now. I probably won't use the plastic bit myself, but right, again it says to be careful putting the Insta360 Go inside because it may scratch the casing. So just be gentle with it, don't force it. It should fit in there nicely. Right, so it's got little rubber grips in there and a rubber grip on the bottom as well, which is nice. Very nice quality, well built. So in the bottom here we have some more shims and another bag. Let's have a quick look and see what's in this bag. So in here I think the straps don't ever come out. Right, let's just tear it open. There we go. Right, so we've got all the straps in here. You've got two of these which you can attach to the camera cage, and that will allow you to put a shoulder strap on. This is a little wrist strap with a slider on it, so you can slide that on your wrist and keep it secure. And this is the shoulder strap with metal attachments that attach to the little rings, and you can attach those on the top of the camera there where the little slots are. So that's nice and simple. Let's move those out of the way and I'll show you what it's like to put everything together. Right, okay. So press that and it folds open. Make sure you keep your little orange ball out of the way because that can get caught up at times. And then you can hear a nice click as it closes. You've got a little finger grip there so you can take the camera out and the camera fits in there perfectly. Nice and secure. You can put the little case on the front that keeps it nice and covered and protected. So now your camera is enclosed in protection. Right, so this is the little mount that you may have seen if you watched the other video that I did on the accessories. It's magnetic, and it magnetically attaches to the bottom like that. So you can then put that onto a tripod or GoPro mount, and it also fits on the side here as well. Again, keep that little ball out of the way. So you've got it on the side mount, and that's where this fits us onto, just like that. Nice and firm and secure, and then you can use the camera like a normal camera. Put this on the top, and that allows you to depress the trigger, the shutter. This fits on all different ones, so it doesn't really matter which rig you buy. This little button presser will fit on it. As I said, I probably won't use it myself. I don't see the need of it. Right, this is the little light made by Ulanzi. It's a really nice little light. The battery lasts a long time, and it's nice and bright as well. Nothing much on instructions there, just a little bit. Type-C charging, and it's water resistant as well. Not waterproof, don't put it in the pool, but it is water resistant. And as I said, it's a cold shoe mount. It also has a magnet on the bottom, so you can magnetically stick it to different things as well if you wanted backlight or a fill light. There's a little magnet on the bottom, and then you just slide it into the cold shoe mount. Okay. I don't think it matters, but it went on easier from front to back. Press and hold it for 2 or 3 seconds and it will switch on. And then you can press the red button again to cycle through the different levels of brightness. Okay, it doesn't look very bright on the camera, but I have got the studio lights on, so it is much brighter than it looks. And the battery on this lasts 60 minutes to an hour and a half on full, and it takes about 60 minutes to charge. So it's a nice little light, and it wasn't too expensive. I think it was about $15. So this is with everything together. There we go, the full rig. You could also put a microphone on the side if you needed to, or you can have the DJI mini microphone set, because they pair up with it nicely and they work flawlessly. Alright, there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. Please click like, subscribe to the channel if you want more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.